beautiful people. Today I am making an iron-rich energy juice for anemia and fatigue. For this recipe, you will need beet, kale, carrots, apple, lemon, ginger, dates, and water. Wash and chop all the ingredients into smaller pieces suitable for your juicer. Soak the dates in water, then continue chopping the remaining ingredients. Juice everything or blend and strain with a fine mesh if you do not have a juicer. This is a powerful juice that naturally supports iron level, boosts energy, improves blood flow, and helps combat anemia, fatigue, and dizziness. Drink this 4 to 5 times a week in the morning or early evening for best results. The recipe link will be in the description box and also in the comment section of this video. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and until next time, stay healthy.